But we're not going to put them on. We're going to take them off, make sure we see it's working. All right, let's try this. Oh, it's blurry as shit, but let's go. Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Show Me RC Plus. And I'm Tom Slick. If you're here for the first time, thanks for joining me. It's been a while since we've done anything special for y'all, besides the racing. And we got a new one here for you. We got a new vehicle in the stable. Just changing up some things going on here. We're back into the little rigs. And we got a the INJORA INJ 24. Y'all get it? Anyhow, she's pretty much close to being complete. The body mounts are not finalized, but she's running under her own power. Solid trail rig. Like I say, it's basically just the INJORA catalog, but I'm going to bring it to you and let y'all see it here for the first time. Don't laugh at the paint job. You're dealing with the one-eyed guy. One-eyed. I wish I was only one-eyed now. One-handed, one-armed, or whatever you want to call it. Anyhow, without further ado, let's go see this rig. You ready? I got to put these back on. I'm going to flip you around here. Where you flip? There it is, crew. The INJORA INJ 24, the BANAJORA Jeep Cherokee XJ. Get it? Matt's off-road recovery theme. Anybody get it? I know. Don't look at the paint too close. I suck. I'm one-handed, crippled guy. It's even worse right now. Going through some problems, but we'll get through it. We got to this point. Anyhow, there it is. Let's get under the hood. You tired of being dizzy yet? Alright, let's see. See if she pull off. Alright, well, hey, that worked out better than I thought it was gonna. This temporary mounts. So we'll stop it there because otherwise you won't see nothing and you'll see a mess. Like I say, it's just thrown together. Wiring's crap. But it's kind of fun. I tried. I'm having a good time. Anyhow, let's stop that merry-go-round. Jesus. Anybody else dizzy? Oh, whoa, we just playing games. Woo, thank you, thank you, thank you. Looks like we're starting in the front, folks. This INJORA build that anybody can have in the INJORA catalog. Again, on Amazon, in the INJORA catalog, or your local parts dealer. Anyhow, let's get a non-glare. You know what? Let's get off the merry-go-round. There we go. That's better. Let's get in on that thing. Alright. So this is the full INJORA build. How do you want to see it? Where do you want to see it? Alright, let's see what you want to see here. Alright, well, we started out with a low center gravity carbon fiber chassis. Cha-ching. Get you one of those. Simple. Hit the little box. And then you're going to need the, probably the INJORA skid plate. And you go ahead and get the motor mount. Go ahead and get the metal upgrade stuff. You know, I mean, if you're going to do it. If you're going to do it. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. I can't point and hold at the same time. There we go. Oh, never know what I can do. So, metal transmission right there. And we have the INJORA 60 TT. 60 TT. That would be good. Anyhow, 60 turn motor. 66 turn motor. Let's try again. We'll get it right. Staying with us. We got the readers on. And where were we at? We got metal transmission, skid plate, drive shafts. We'll get those underneath there. We got the rock sliders, You know, you got to have those so you can keep your battery and ESCs low. And we took those from the Axial brand, and we went with no spring. They're 51 millimeter shocks, I believe, but we're running them upside down. I just having fun. Like the reservoir down there, but it just hangs up. But no springs, no oil in them or nothing. They just droop thingies. They just need no bounce. So it's really good on stuff. Where else we at? We got all metal linkage. Whoa, fumble tire. Let's get that up here on the table here. We got full metal linkage up here. Full INJORA linkage, steering servo horn, steering servo. We went with the, we're reading it upside down, everybody. INJORA INGS 11 kg. It's pretty, it's coreless, so it's been pretty good so far. Little look at those shocks. They're looking really nice. We did the portal axles, plus 4 millimeter. Like I say, this is just an INJORA catalog build. Get you one. And the quality's there just as opposed to any axial or anything else. The INJORA ING 18 or 24, depending on what scale. I haven't got a lot of 18 scale. Anyhow, this thing even has the Patagonia tires. So the Matt's off-road recovery theme is really rocking. We're doing the linkages. Let me get that there. Hold on. Sorry if you're dizzy. I'll cut it out. Anyhow, in the front, on the bottom, like I say, the INJORA catalog give you 50 millimeter bottom linkage, top linkage, 39 millimeter linkage, your shock location, and where you're going to run your linkage is kind of limited on the bottom. The upper, you can change it. And we haven't played with that. There's a bunch of multiple. Man, I'm sorry. Let me get. It's only Velcro down there. Anyhow, right there where my finger's at, you can see you could change your bottom linkage up to a bunch of different settings, and it might make it work a lot better. We just haven't tried all that. Being one-handed, it's a booger moving all that stuff around and playing with all that. So we backed off of that for right now. So anyhow, and then on the rear, and I put them inside out. The bottom ones are 58. Wow. Let's just put this down here like this. The bottom ones are 58.5 millimeters. And the upper ones are 51 millimeters. And I put that inside out, but they would still work the same. And like I say, all internals are INJORA. I believe that might be an axial trailer hitch, or might be an INJORA. I'd have to look. But that's irrelevant to the build. Anyhow, it's a really good Comp 1 rig, trail rig, whatever you want it to be rig. Anyhow, I say give it a go. Try to build yours. Enjoy. BANAJORA Jeep Cherokee XJ. Here she is. Could be a 24 scale, depending. I mean, I don't know. Right there next to one. I guess it's still 24. So maybe we'll call it the ING 24. Yeah. Guess it's the ING 24. Alright, I got that all wrong. Alright. introduce. Oh boy, that body just took a. Got a little lean to it. Don't laugh. Got a little lean to it. Yeah, it's more 24th scale. We're still brushed. We got an LS for it, but it's just not ready. I'm not ready to put it in. I'm in bad shape right now. Yeah. Man, I don't know about those Atlas 18 scales, man. What do y'all think? Those things are just tiny for 18 scale, except tires. I mean, I know that's a 6x6, and I don't have any others to compare it to yet. Maybe someday. Yes, I love it. There she is. All right, let's see her. Let's see if we can get through this stuff here. We're going to see if we can use these as gates here. It's going to be a good trail rig for sure. I'm not sure what classification, but definitely a good trail rig. See if we can get over there and see that articulation. There you go. That trailer hitch ain't helping me none on the back. Missed that gate. Buddy, it's better than the medication. Better than tramadol, that's for sure. Let's see here. We're going to back that up a little bit. Probably get points off for that, but this ain't a set course. Let's see here what happens. Yeah. Oh, buddy. She's got some lean to her. Let's see what happens. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. Oh, suck that rear end right up underneath there though with a. Woo. All right, let's see if we got something to get up over this. All right, not that line. See if we go right here. No, we moved the gate. Boy, she's not tipping over. I got her the center of gravity and all the weight centralized. So the battery location and the ESC location on those rock sliders is really key. Boy, man, that keeps the weight down. Man, this thing is a total different thing. Look at that. What do you think? Not bad. Like I said, that body position is just temporary. So, you can laugh. I don't mind. Comment, please. Please, please, please. Alright. Let's see what she does. Like I said, this is just a makeshift course. I'm in bad shape, but this is a bright day with getting to see this happen and that I did this. Especially in the shape I'm in. You don't even all know yet. I don't even know yet. I can't get in till the 17th. And, oh, this happened like last Thursday. I'm missing the gates, but this is just to give me an idea where to go. So, don't know what I'm doing here. First time. Alright, let's see if she can come this way here. I don't think she's going to tip, man. I think that battery setup and everything has really been working good. Look at that. She's not tipping. I like it. Good trail rig. Not ready to run. You have to build it, guys and gals. You have to build it. It's a INJ 18. from INJORA. This one here is so-called the BANAJORA Jeep Cherokee body, XJ. And I got that in England, and I'll have to see if I can find a location for you or a link or somehow. Anyhow, I missed the gate, but anyhow, it's not set in stone. Well, she's a runner. She looks good doing it. Oh, yeah. And so, sent me away. Didn't tell me about wearing a slinger. Nothing. Really disappointed in JMH Mercy. Really disappointed. The X-ray guys weren't bad, but I told them I'm here for fractures and a dislocation, and they're wanting to supinate, twist it, and all this other stuff. Like, that's not a good idea. It's too late. He pulled on it. So, anyhow, it hurts. I'm surprised, you know. Surprised I'm getting this going. But tramadol and some other stuff will help get you through the days. Oh, look at that. Pull out of it. Let's get up here from this view. Woo! Holy cow. Come up here and check this out. Oh, baby. She looks good doing it. Let's see if she can get out of it. Oh, she did it. She's a runner. I'm liking it, guys and gals.